Hello, is anyone here? Let me see. Hmm. Okay, no one here yet. 5 people. Hello, are you here? Please let me know right in the chat so I know there's someone watching, please. If you can hear me well and everything, please let me know. Today we're going to see how to touch base with you and let you know about everything. Okay? Please let me know when you arrive. Please write in the chat when you arrive. Thank you. Hello, Francisco, how are you? Welcome. Are you, just a quick questions, are you having any issues with the support, with the ordering support? Please let me know. Danny, hello. Hello, everyone. It's very important for me to help you guys. Amin, hello. Hello, everyone. If you have any questions, please start typing them in the chat. I will be happy to help you as soon as I get some time. I have a very interesting new ticketing platform for you guys, which ordering is going to start using in very soon. Christos, yeah, Christos. Hello, how are you? Welcome to the live stream. Today's topic is how ordering support works. How we work in regards of the support that we provide to you guys, to everyone, more like clarity, everything. Jago, uh, he asked us. He asked something in Spanish, so he asked how to configure Facebook Pixel. Um, with Facebook Pixel, I think there is a third-party integration, like the. Let's just find out really quickly. Jago is asking about Facebook Pixel, so I will take a look. Integration. I will take a quick look, and in the meantime, we gather some more audience. And Danny, thank you for subscribing. You just did. I saw it. I have another screen here, and it said to me about it. It's a snippet of JavaScript, so it won't be able to be like embedded just that quickly. Jago, we'll have to take a deeper look at it. Please submit a quote. Remember where to submit a quote. If not, create no quote request. How long it takes. So please submit a quote. Let me send it to you. Quote request close. Let me send it to you. Here is Jago. Thank you. Yeah, go for it. So we have 11 people. Let's just wait 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. So we can get this running. Also, I want to ask you, do you have any pending situations with ordering? Let's say installation, answers for a ticket, the builder apps. Rov, a playlist? Like music in the background? Do you mean that? I can work something out. I don't really know how. This is my first time doing streaming live. You should do playlists for your live streamers. You? Okay. Hello, Di Francis. Welcome. I requested for. Okay, Danny. When did you submit that? I will find out and let you know. What do you mean, Rob? The playlist? We have the channel with all the lessons saved. I don't know. Is that what you mean? Let me know. What do you mean? Hello, Di Francis. Welcome. Welcome back. Still trying to get my iOS sorted. Okay, we have some conversations here in the chat. Okay, I will start one by one. Danny, let me know when the quote was submitted. We take up to 72 hours to answer the quotes because we have to do some research and give you the proper timing and the price of everything. Also, in the meantime, we do the research. The developers look for some like alternatives to make it cheaper. Okay. Well, let's get this started, and then I will jump into that. Today we're going to talk about how the ordering support works, which means how to do we respond your tickets, how do we manage the apps installations, the timing and everything, and so on. The knowledge base, a new improvement that we made in our knowledge base. Also, I will show it to you, and um, at it in the YouTube Ordering Inc. channel. Also, we have a lot of videos of how every feature works. Um, I'm part of the Mexico team here at Ordering. I'm the VP of marketing here. And as soon as this stream is over, it will get uploaded in the channel so you can watch it every time, anytime, wherever you are. Okay, so let's get started. Since we're talking about support, I will answer some questions that we have here in the chat. So, um, let's see. Let's go in the differences. Differences says, still trying to get my iOS sorted. Hopefully today. So, one thing that we discovered, Francis, please try it with me while we are in here live, is that sometimes I'm thinking you remember the Arduino Builder and the new feature of the keystores and everything. Okay, so here's this is the website. Let me get into the app. Uh, a gap. There's a space. So could you please try while logging that was an issue that was very common. So you might have that. Please let me know. If not, maybe there's a timeout or something. So let me know if that works, please. Also, I will check the ticket that you submitted and everything after the stream. This is just a quick uh, thing that I wanted to mention. So, I mean, is it possible to have live chat with the clients? And I explained to you guys how. Um, Let me mute this. I explained somewhere in this video how to put the live chat Inc. Let's see if I can find it to give you a better like hint. This is branch, branch. Typeform, then 10, then let me see if I can find it here. This is the font. 14:15:01 kind of. So take a look at this video. This is the 15th lesson. So take a look and you will learn how to embed live chat or any chat. Okay. Uh, okay. Let's see. So the Francis, I'm loving your. Rob, like on the Ordering YouTube page, make a playlist from your videos for creating apps. Make YouTube page because this is the Ordering YouTube page. We have the videos here. Oh, you mean this? Okay. Let me see what I can do. I think you mean this. Let me see what I can work with here, and I will do something about it. Difference is you have a lot of customer spending. Okay. In the meantime, also try clicking uh, test, build test, then build pro, and then store in that particular order. So the workflow is linear. Let me know if it works. Difference is in the meantime we're here. Rob, you can make a playlist. Okay, yeah, that is the same. Danny, oh, I see. It was 2 days ago. Okay, yeah, Danny. So probably today you will get the final quote for your project. I will let the team know that we have some quotes pending, and I will let you know about it on email. Is there a maximum number of order of business I can list? Maximum number of business I can list. No differences. There's no total of businesses you can list. However, if according, I mean, I think you're in a higher package, but depending on the package that you have, it will be the amount of locations. Sorry, let's say if you're in the starter package, one city, okay, and the others are in limited business in one country, and there are not multi-country installations because the it's not a good run. I mean, you create a new site in another country when you expand. Okay, is what we recommend. Actually, we one of our big customers tried that and it didn't go very well because it was a an issue of delivery between platforms and stuff. So one installation per country always. And Francisco, I am B3 user, student support. What will be the price? So Francisco, for that, B3, yeah, you're correct. The support for B3 stopped because well, we announced that about 1 year ago. So now you have to either jump into B4. I mean, support is related to questions of the platform in B3. If you are trying to report, I don't know, bugs, we can still help you with something there. So I would recommend you to send an email to support@ordering.co and we will let you know if we can help you with no longer be supported. Okay? Also, I highly recommend you to migrate to B4. I mean, it's amazing. Most of you guys are on B4. I think everyone except Francisco, and you can tell him how it works. Everything runs. What else? I mean, you retracted your comment. Okay. No gap, Francis. Okay. Let me know if what I mentioned before worked for you. Rob. Okay, that's the one. Augusto. Hi there. The number of customers is unlimited, right? Yeah. I hope you got a million customers. If there is something with the servers, we will let you know. But we will let's see when you get 1 million customers. Okay. Rob, I tried to upload my APK into the Google Play upload. I got that debugging error. Did I miss something in the steps? I don't know if this is a common issue. Okay, Rob, let me see something really quickly here. Uh, Play Store. Let me know if the issue that you saw was was this? Let me know, Rob. After I answer Rob questions, we will jump into what I want to show you guys. Thank you, differences. Very happy. Nice. It's learning. I'm learning for you also, guys. Thank you very much for being here every day. Let me know, Rob. Longer. Hmm. Little longer, Rob. We'll have to take a look. Do you remember if something else about it? We'll show you now how we are going to do things here at ordering. Okay? So let's jump into it. Currently, the support that you have, guys, it's you contact us via ticket, live chat with a human, or a bot is guiding you through the articles that we have. You also have the user guide, and you can also see the features and improvements. Also, there are some people that WhatsApp me, but if the question is related to support, most of the time I send you to support. So because they have to take care of it with tickets and everything, because well, that is the area that support questions must go. Okay, just to be clear. Now, let me show you how the tickets work. This is a very amazing thing. We are just working with this. So imagine this is you and you submit one ticket, okay? Uh, the email I will put my another address that I have. Don't send emails there because I won't answer. It's a very old one. Um, New ticketing system uh, test, right? Here, the new platform will give you will show you a few articles that we think are related to the subject that you're writing about. Okay, maybe that works for you, and then you will find the answer before you even send the ticket. Okay, email used to access your ordering builder. Let us this is a recommendation. Please always add it so we take less time to answer your tickets. Okay, so let's say mine is mauricio.ordering.co. The installation URL, if you have it, I think it was mauriciodemobefore.com. Oh, sorry, it's .ordering.com. Okay, uh, installation example. Please tell us the address to find you your installation. Okay, so this is the whole world. Like we just put Fifth Avenue. Okay, New York, something like that. Description: I am sending this test to show everyone this is going to work. Okay, uh, bigger. I think you can see it like this. I will do it something like this. Ticket video or image annotations. Okay, optional. This is optional if you have a video. Sorry, if you have the URL of a video or something. For example, you can record the explanation of the issue in us, what is happening, or you can also, if you have a few pictures, you can drop them here, or these are a few ways to make it work. Okay, the more information we have about the issue that you're having, it's if you add everything here about how it works, what is happening in your installation and what issues are you having, the support team will answer sooner with the result, with the fix or how to make it work or everything. Okay, so if you are going back and forth with the support team about simple things like if you didn't send the credentials of up the subject, and um, we will answer sooner to get the final answer, to get it done, like solved. Okay, so we don't have anything here. If it is custom related, just check this. Now I submit this. Traffic lights. This. I think those are all. Okay, now I have submitted the ticket, right? After you submit a ticket, you will get here. This is going to be our new, the new knowledge base, which you can already see. Now here, I will log in with my user, the one that I just created. And let me see if this is the password. I think it worked. Yeah, amazing. So this this new thing that we see here is going to be your new ticket platform. So whenever you submit a ticket, here you are able to follow up what's happening. You can submit as many as you need. Ticket system tryout test 2. Okay. Uh, I will just put a random thing here. 2 and submit. I think I put up everything. So now, as you can see, if the support team answers any of these, actually let me tell them if they can answer anything. Send us. I actually I just received an answer from them, I think, because I gotta check it out. This is telling me right here that I got a response in my ticket 1179. So to get there, I will also show you this is the one. To get there, I go here in my support.ordering.co URL. I log in, I see my activities, and then I can see all the tickets. Okay, and I can see what I wrote there. If the support team answers, you will get an email with the answer of this, and also you will get a here you will get a chat. So for example, send this. Let me show you. Support. I will answer myself so I can show you how it looks. Okay. This. Okay, no. Still no response, but say, okay, I'm here. I am in the another screen. I am ticket with the ticketing platform. You have I have 2 questions. I will answer just after I show you this. Okay, just bear with me. Open tickets. Okay, migration. Assign. Pending. Okay. I cannot show you how it looks on our end, but I will show you how it looks on yours, which is the important one. Okay, which this one. Let's see. I'm answering myself. Hey, this is the support team at ordering. Thank you very much. This test. Okay. Okay. Now I've sent something to to this user on my phone saying what's happening, right? So this is the big picture. You can manage. You will see all the things that you are working with. This one will be marked as solved, which is the 8 78 is this one. This will be marked as solved. So this means that whatever was in that ticket that you sent to us is already solved, and then you can, I mean, you can, if there's another question about something, you will have to submit another request, another ticket, okay? And you can follow it here. Also, if you see here everything solved, well, you just go one by one in an easy way, and you can see what's happening there, who sold, what is going on with the ticket, or what time, and everything. Ticket, okay? So this is brand new. You can start when you submit a ticket, you can start using this kind of platform and everything. If your profile is having any issues, be sure to just reset the password. Click in. Forgot my password. I think it says, yeah, forgot my password. Click here and just create the profile, create the new password, and enter here, and you will be able to see all the tickets that you have pending, solved, on queue, everything. Okay, I will log in myself once more. I think I missed the password. Oh no, okay. Also here you are able to check the guide, which is currently is the same as the one we have in get.learning.help, but it will change to this one. I think we are announcing this on Monday. Just wanted to give you a sneak peek of everything, okay? If you want, you can put a picture to tell us, hey guys, I don't really understand this guide. Please do a better effort and explain it in other words or something. We will take all the comments in care, and we'll improve the guide for you guys to be like happy with the solution that we are providing you. Okay, this is the big news that we have. Um, I will answer some questions that we have here. Where to get the App Store Connect Team ID? So I mean, uh, if your Apple developer account is the main one, you don't have to put anything there. If it is a branch, okay? If that is the principal, if you are that in the ordering builder, you are going to see another field in the key stores, right? Let me show you. Right here. Excuse me. Right here. Here. This one. Okay. This is optional. Okay. If you remember, if your Apple developer account is the main one, you don't have to put anything here. If it is a branch, you will have to put here the other account that you are linked with. Okay. So okay, moving on. JJR. Is it possible to integrate a custom payment gateway on the user app? Yeah. Yes, very good ask question, JJR. You can put we can integrate any new payment gateway that you require, but it'll require a quote, and we will let you know how long it'll take and what do we need. We commonly need the API documentation of that payment gateway, JR. So please submit a quote. Here's the course request, and we will let you know what's happening with that specific payment gateway that you want to integrate. Also, please be very sure that the payment gateway is available in your country. Sometimes we get an issues with that, and it's very sad at the end of the day. JR, basically, if we integrate on web, does it automatically appear on app? No, it will have to be integrated on website and on app. Those are separated. Also, when you integrate in the app, you will have to submit the latest version in the stores one more time in order to see the changes. Okay, George, hello. He just got here. Welcome. JR, is it not app integrated? Yeah, actually, if you have the development team how the API works, you have a lot of documentation here, basically, and I mean, you as a developer will know how to make this work, and If you are getting stuck somewhere, please send us an email to support. We will try to guide you through the steps. Okay, JR. um, Something else I wanted to show you. Here, contact us. The live chat. We click here, and it opens the chat where you can start chatting with our guys. Okay. The user guide currently is going to be the same, the get.ording.help. Um, Features and improvements. Here we put every feature and improvement that we're launching in the changelog, and also this is a bit outdated, but we are going to improve that. And here you can see the ideas of most of our customers. And if you wanted to make it happen sooner, because these are improvements for the platform, you will have to just click in about here. Okay, there are some comments and everything. A lot of people is is working here, and you can see this is amazing. This is like an improvements forum for our future releases. Okay, so feel free to take a look. You click here. Let me show you one more time, and then you click change log. Okay, there's something very amazing. Also, guys, okay, this is the main like conversation I wanted to have with you. There are. Oh wait, let me answer you these questions. JR, there's a local payment gateway we can't use. Okay, there's a local payment gateway. We can use Stripe, PayPal, or another international gateway. Therefore, we need to integrate our own gateway. Stripe, and we're going to. Yes, JR, you will have to see if the payment documentation, if the take a look at the documentation of the API of our API, and if there's any doubts of how it works, please send the email to support@ordering.co, and we will let you know about it. I mean, is it possible to have a contact form on your website? Yeah, actually, also, I mean, yesterday class, I explained how to integrate a type form. Okay, so I think yesterday's video will help you a lot. Take to answer all of your questions. So the support team works every day, about 12 hours daily. Also, we cover most of the time zones because we have people everywhere around the world. Um, so here's the thing. We have to get for example, if someone pushes any package, I mean, you guys already have your installation and everything, but I want to explain. The delivery time that we take to give you your installation is less than 24 hours from Monday to Friday, okay? So if you purchase today and submit the installation form, your installation will be delivered in less than 24 hours, okay? For the apps, once you submit your form, your apps will be delivered in less than, it takes about 5 to 10 working days. We say 10 working days to be safe, okay? What does that mean? When you get your apps, you will be getting the APK and the IPA file, which are the files that must be uploaded in the stores. Those 10 working days does not mean that they are going to be in the stores live and running to be downloaded in the devices. Okay, it means that you have to submit them in the stores, and then it's up to the store's timing in order to show them in the App Store and the Google Play Store. Okay, the tickets are sold in less than 72 hours, and the custom tickets also. What I mean by tickets is all of your requests, domain change, some ticket, when you ask for a quote request, and any questions that you have are answered by us in less than, if you submit everything in less than 24 hours. Okay. Also, something else that I wanted to talk to you is that you can come here in Ordering University every day or to ask all of your questions. If there is something that we can help you with, we will. Also, we have the sales conference every day. It is imparted by Alonso or Ernesto. Those they will help us in this sales conference, and also we have an onboarding conference daily. So now you have 3 daily live streaming ordering guys helping you with all your questions. Okay. In the meantime, you wait for the ticket to be responded. You can come on any of these conferences and we will help you out. These onboarding sessions are 2 hours before mine, 1 hour before mine, before this Ordering University lesson is the sales conference. So you have all those channels to uh, get support by us. We don't want to leave you hanging. Okay. Also, you can submit. For me, this is very important. This is like my gasoline. So please submit all your suggestions of what you want me to talk about in regards of ordering. I take this in care and I will help you with all your answers. Okay. Uh, that's what I wanted to talk about. Now I'm going to jump into the uh, questions in YouTube chat. JR, is there a way to implement a mid-level layer at checkout on the app via API to verify the users via SMS? I think that is going to be a more complicated custom work, but yeah, you can make it happen, JR. Please, it's the same as the API document of the payment gateway integration that you want to create. Send us an email to support, and we will give you a more detailed information about how to make it work on your platform. Okay, maybe like a little bit of more guidance of how to make it work, because well, developments um, are taken care by the development department by our developers. Personal account. The only thing that I'm not really sure, because Apple always change their stuff. Uh, you won't be able to give ordering an administrator uh, privileges. So when you are working on the personal Apple developer accounts, you have to give us your accounts so we can take care of some settings if you need to, if you need us to make those happen. But yeah, it'll work with the personal account. Don't worry about it. As long as you have access to this thing, to this one here, we are good. It'll look something like this. Let me log in. Okay, this is me, so it's okay. Trust, trust myself. Rob, as long as you have these three, we are set to go. Okay. Is there any way to implement SMS verification? Tural is the same as Aminask. Aminask the same thing. Sorry. So if you wanted to do it yourself, check the API documentation. If you want us to do it, where can I find the two-factor authentication as people Apple policy to activate into the accounts? George, the two-factor authentication. Let me see. Let me see if this is what you mean. Two-factor authentication, Apple developer account. Here's the guide, George. If you don't have, I think this doesn't require an Mac device. You can set it up with the trusted number. Remember, I talked about this, I think, 3 lessons ago. You don't need an Apple device. You can put the phone number and you will get a code here to verify your account. Okay, give it a look. It's support.apple.com slash n underscore no, this is dash us slash ht 204915, or you can go here developers.apple.com. JR, are you planning to replace Facebook account kit integration with alternatives since Facebook account kit does not accept new signups? I don't really know about it, JR. I think it's going to take longer, but we'll have to take a deeper look at it. I haven't heard of it. Believe the forms for the apps. You can send the forms like that, but in the meantime, we're working on your apps, George. We will ask for this, so you can enable it today, or and send us the form, or you can just wait for us to ask for it, and we can advance something in your apps process. Okay. I think there are no more questions for now. So I think I cover everything I want to talk with you today, guys. Um, I don't know if you have any more questions. Yeah, thank you, George. I don't know if you have any more questions. If you do, please type them in the chat. I will be here for about 2 more minutes, and I will help you with everything. You have the forms for everything. Be sure to read your installation form, which is important, very, very important. We're going to improve the knowledge base very soon with this kind of view. Where is it? Is this one? And here we will add some more things like a forum where you can collaborate as a community. Is it back? Can you hear me, guys? Can you hear me, guys? I hear myself. I think you can. So I don't know what happened with the streaming. Amazing, JR. Thank you. So we're back. We were just lost for a minute. Um, Thank you, George. I don't know if you have any more questions. This is the thing that we're working on this week, and hopefully on Monday we will release it. Okay. Uh, do not forget to join all of the conferences we have. We have 3 hours of conferences every day at ordering. Please join us so you can get faster answers faster. And I think there are no more questions. It's as always a pleasure to having you guys here um, in this experiment in these YouTube lessons. Hopefully, I will see you tomorrow with more classes of ordering, how it works and everything. And do not forget to submit your suggestions right here, so I will know what you want me to talk about. It's been a pleasure. See you tomorrow, same channel, same person, same time. Have a happy and successful ordering. Bye bye. Thank you very much, guys, for being here. Talk to you tomorrow. This video gets uploaded as soon as the stream is over. If you have any questions, send us an email, ticket, live chat, uh, any method you have with us. Some one of you have a Skype, guys, on support and stuff. So we are here for you, guys. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Be safe.